How to sign up on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. In order to sign up for your Temu account, first of all make sure that you have installed Temu application in your device. Once you do so, open your Temu app. You will automatically be landed onto this page. Then here you have to tap on sign in from your bottom bar. As you do so, it will ask you to continue with your Google, Facebook, email address or your phone number. You can continue with either of them in order to sign up for your account. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue with my email address. Here you have to type in the new email address for your Temu account, then tap on continue. As you enter your email address, you have to type in the minimum 8 characters password. Once you do all that, tap on register. And just like so, you will get landed onto a page like this. If you tap on the use section, it will show you your username. If you would like to update your details, tap on the settings icon on your top right, go to account security, and here you can confirm your email address. Tap on edit. If you would like to change it, you can enter the new email address here, or in order to verify, just tap on verify now button. A code will be sent to this email address or the email address that you have typed while creating yourself a Temu account. Just paste the code here and your email address will be verified. Just like so, this is the process of how to create a Temu account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe to our channel.